Okay, we're going to unbox now item delivered by Lazada. This is Intel Gigabit PCIe dual port network adapter card. Okay, so as you can see, unboxing now. Alright, there's the item inside, and it's in a bubble wrap. So this is the item now. So it's inside in a box. The box is sealed though. It has a QR code. None of that. So opening it now. So this is there is a seal in the box. Oh. So there we go. So opening it now. Okay. So this is the item inside. Alright, so this is the adapter itself. It's Intel, and it's dual port. Okay, so PCIe Gigabit dual port server adapter. Okay, and it has a CD on it included. So, and it has, opening it now. Yep, there you go. So this is the hardware. Okay, good. Nice. Thanks, Sealer. 5 star on that. Thank you. Thanks.